A very good morning to one and all. I hope you all are good and fine. Yes, today we will start the revision of our chapter number 2, numbers up to 9,999. Yes, in first chapter हमने numbers किए थे 4,919 तक. अब इस चैप्टर में हमने numbers किए थे 9,999 तक. Yes, you know the concept are same. Face value and place value. Yes, face value of the digit it's real or actual value. Face value कभी भी change नहीं होती, but place value depends on its positions. मैंने आपको इसमें क्या बताया था कि like this in 1034 the place value of 3. अब हमने 3 की place value बनानी है, तो हम ये देखेंगे 3 के पीछे कितने डिजिट है. 1 डिजिट है तो हम यहाँ पे 3 के पीछे 10 लगा देंगे. ऐसे हम प्लेस वैल्यू फाइंड कर सकते हैं. फेस वैल्यू तो हमेशा सेम ही रहती है. 3 की 3 रहेगी, 4 की 4 रहेगी. यस, एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म एंड स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. यस, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म तो यही होगी शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द नंबर, एंड एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म टू मीन्स एक्सपैंड द नंबर. अब 7,814 को हमने एक्सपैंड करके लिखना है, तो हमने इसकी जो प्लेस वैल्यू उसको ऐड कर देंगे. 7 की प्लेस वैल्यू 7,000, 8 की 800, 1 की 10 and 4 की 4. This is the expanded form. Ascending and descending order. As you know, in ascending order we arrange the numbers from the smallest to biggest. हम इसमें smallest to biggest arrange करते हैं और इसमें biggest to smallest. It means reverse of ascending orders. Then we compare and put appreciate symbols. इसमें मैंने आपको बताया था कि firstly you compare the numbers which is present at 1000 place. Like there is number 7 and there is number 7. Now they are equal. Then you compare the number which present at 100 place. Like in this number 8 and in this number 9. So 9 is greater than 8. So 7,901 is greater than 7,802. Then we also do forming the greatest and smallest number in our previous chapter. To form the greatest number, we arrange them in descending order. Descending order means from biggest to smallest, and from the smallest number, we arrange them in ascending order. Ascending order means from the smallest to biggest. Like this, there are given digits 6, 8, 2, 5. Now we arrange them in we form them in greatest and smallest form. Yes, firstly we arrange to form greatest number. We will form this digit from descending order. Descending order means from biggest to smallest. Yes, which digit is biggest? 8, then 6, then 5, then 2. So 8,652 is the greatest number that can be formed from using these digits. In this smallest numbers, we arrange them in ascending order. Ascending order means from the smallest to biggest. 2,568 is the smallest number which is formed. Like this, circle the biggest number. Yes, which is the biggest number? 3,000, 7,000, 8,000. Now 8 is greater than 7 and 8 is also greater than 3. We firstly compare the number which is present at 1000 place. So this is the greatest numbers. Now circle the smallest number. In this we also compare the number which is present at 1000 place. Like 1 is smaller than 3, 1 is also smaller than 3. So 1,309 is also smallest numbers. Thank you student. I hope you understand all concepts.